For your safety, lie on your stomach on the sled and hold on with both hands. Reach the bottom of the slide.